Good morning, children. Now, leftover part of S block elements will complete. This is part 8. So, second group when we were talking about, so I showed you how to write the electronic configuration of second group and what is the peculiarity of the second group electronic configuration. So, outermost orbit Ns2 configuration will be there. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium are the second group elements. Now, atomic and ionic radii. So we know that when we move from left to right in a period, atomic and ionic radii decreases, and when we move from top to bottom in a group, atomic and ionic radii increases. So here atomic and ionic radii is smaller than corresponding alkali metals, ठीक है, of the same period में. But in a group, the atomic and ionic radii increases with increase in the atomic number. Correct? Then comes what is about ionization enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy कैसा होगा बेटा? They are large sized, so they have low ionization enthalpy. But in a same group, that is second group, when the size increases from top to bottom, तो size increase होगा तो ionization enthalpy will also decrease. The more the size, the less will be ionization enthalpy. First ionization enthalpy is higher than corresponding alkali metals. क्यों? Because alkali metals कैसे बेटा? Alkali metals Ns2 metals, outermost orbit Ns2 and Ns1, and alkaline earth metals Ns2. So when it is Ns2 and it is Ns1, so first ionization enthalpy it is higher than corresponding alkali metals. इसका जल्दी निकल जाएगा outermost orbit electron. But the interesting thing is that second ionization enthalpy is smaller in alkaline earth metal. Why it will be smaller? What is the reason? You understood? When it will lose one electron, it has still one electron in the outermost orbit. One will be left. But when alkali metals lose one electron, then outermost orbit is now empty with the one electron. So now the electrons will be in first one. Like if I show you, if I write here sodium, so sodium will be 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now suppose this 3s1 is removed. Okay, first, and after giving first ionization enthalpy, this outermost orbit electron will be removed. तो अब जो ये बाकी के बचे हैं, they will be close to the nucleus. Okay, so it will be difficult to remove the complete electrons. Okay, so इसमें से electrons pull करना difficult है. But when one electron is moved from here, then still one electron is there. So by providing less ionization enthalpy, the electron will be removed. Therefore, it is said that the second ionization enthalpy is smaller in alkaline earth metals in comparison to alkali metals. Right? Now, hydration enthalpy. The hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metals decrease with increase in ionic size. When we move from top to bottom in a group, the ionic size increases. So, hydration enthalpy will be decreased. Fine. So, maximum hydration enthalpy is of Be2 plus, ions की बात कर रहे हैं. Then it goes to barium to barium. Okay. Because of this, hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metals are larger than alkali metal ions. लिखेंगे कि first we write the hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metals are higher than alkali metals, correct, of the same period. Thus compounds of alkaline earth metals are more extensively hydrated. इसकी वजह से because of this the compounds are hydrated. In comparison to alkali metals. In comparison alkali metals, they are extensively hydrated. So they are found in this form like MgCl2, दिख रहा है MgCl2 and CaCl2. They are found in hydrated form. So MgCl2 is found in the form of MgCl2 6H2O. Similarly CaCl2 6H2O. Whereas NaCl and दूसरा कोई ले लो KCl, they are not found in hydrated form, not forming hydrates, or they are not present in the hydrated form. You understood, children? So MgCl2 is found in the form of MgCl2 6H2O, calcium chloride is CaCl2 6H2O, whereas alkali metals are not found in the hydrated form. They do not form hydrates. Now comes chemical properties. Alkaline earth metals are also reactive, but they are less reactive than alkali metals. Correct? Their reactivity increases down the group. When we move from top to bottom, in the second group, their reactivity increases. So reactivity towards air and water. Air, they are kinetically, beryllium and magnesium, they are inert to oxygen and water. क्या याद रखना है? Beryllium and magnesium are inert to water, inert to O2 and water. क्यों बेटा? क्योंकि इनके ऊपर है ना ऑक्साइड की एक लेयर बन जाती है. Because of the formation of an oxide film, because of formation of an film of a film of oxide over them. This oxide prevents the beryllium and magnesium for the further reaction. Okay. Powdered beryllium burns brilliantly on ignition to air to give BeO and Be3N2. Now when the beryllium is in powdered form, powdered beryllium burns brilliantly, in air and forms beryllium oxide, forms BeO, और एयर में नाइट्रोजन भी है, तो जब नाइट्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो बेरिलियम नाइट्राइड, सो Be3N2. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड, and this is beryllium nitride. See the spelling carefully, nitride. So I told you nitride के फॉर्म में valency is 3 and beryllium तो 2 है ही, so it is Be3N2 and Be plus 2 and O minus 2, so formula is BeO. So in this way powdered beryllium reacts. Magnesium is more electropositive and it burns with dazzling brilliance in air to give MgO and Mg3N2. ऑक्सीजन और वाटर से नहीं रिएक्ट कर रहा है, बट magnesium when reacts with O2, so magnesium ribbon burns in air and it forms MgO, magnesium oxide. Why? Because it is more electropositive, and it with nitrogen it forms Mg plus N2 of the air. It will also give Mg3N2. ओके, अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन। सो यहाँ अगर हम 2 3 जा 6 mg कर दें और 3 and 2 तो हो जाएगा, 2 3 जा 6 and 2 2 जा 4, 2 and 2 कर दें तो 6 mg, 2 3 जा 6 mg, 2 2 जा 4 नाइट्रोजन, 2 2 जा 4 नाइट्रोजन. So this is magnesium nitride and this is magnesium oxide. Got children? Calcium, strontium and barium are readily attacked by air to form oxide and nitride, whereas calcium, strontium, barium, they react readily. They react readily with ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, एयर में ही ऑक्सीजन है. एंड फॉर्म ऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्राइड. फॉर्म ऑक्साइड एंड nitride. So in this way they react. Okay. Then reactivity towards halogens. Reactivity towards halogens. What happens? All the alkaline earth metals combine with halogen at elevated temperature to form the halides. Like M plus X2 will give us MX2, where X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Right? So we can take the example, like if I write here Ca plus Cl2, it will form CaCl2. Similarly, if I write here Ba plus Cl2, it will form barium chloride. In this way, they react with halogens. Thermal decomposition of, ये ध्यान रखना बेटा, the thermal decomposition of NH4 whole to BeF4. The thermal decomposition of NH4 whole to BeF4. It helps in preparation of, is best giving BeF2, beryllium fluoride. BeF2 ये इस कंपाउंड से बनता है. ठीक है, it is best giving BeF2. Fine. And BeCl2 is conveniently made from the oxide, whereas BeCl2 is easily made या conveniently made from oxide. Let us see the reaction. BeO is oxide, beryllium oxide, plus carbon plus Cl2 will give us at temperature 600 to 800 BeCl2 plus CO, carbon monoxide. Children, what is the name of this compound? NH4 whole to BeF4. Though it will not come in exam, it is a complex, so it is the name, but you should know. Ammonium tetrafluoro, दिख रहा है, tetrafluoroberylate. This compound is known as tetrafluoroberylate. Okay, this is the name of this compound. Okay, now reactivity towards hydrogen. Reactivity towards हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्राइड बनाएंगे, हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे तो व्हाट दे विल मेक, दे विल फॉर्म हाइड्राइड्स. सो ऑल द एलिमेंट्स एक्सेप्ट बेरिलियम. एक्सेप्शन हमेशा केमिस्ट्री में याद रखना है, एक्सेप्शन बेरिलियम. ठीक है, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स एक्सेप्ट बेरिलियम कंबाइन विद हाइड्रोजन टू फॉर्म द हाइड्राइड्स. एंड बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड भी बनता है, बट बेरिलियम हाउ टू मेक, एक्सेप्शन इज बेरिलियम. अदर अगर इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, तो कैल्शियम विल रिएक्ट विद H2 and it will form calcium hydride, right? Similarly, if I talk about barium, so barium plus H2 will form barium hydride.